Hello, dear Gold Prospectors in the world, und hallo an alle Goldwaschfreunde, die Goldwaschen in Deutschland praktizieren. Here I give with pleasure an intern report of my little knowledge game for small gold bar. I'm very happy that some prospectors want to share their knowledge with prospectors who are at the beginning, cause so they will learn a lot to find the gold in different spots. On my spot card you see typical situation in a creek with very much stones in. So for the first look I don't know where to go to find the gold. Sure, it's important to see the stream by flood, so the water transports all materials and all little flakes of gold. My first decision was to look at the left and the right side and not in the middle of the stream. Cause there the stream is too heavy and transport all heavy material out of the, I call it rivers. Rivers I call the place behind the big boulders, big stones, so there will behind the stones and in front of the stones can this stream create a low pressure zone, so the heavy materials will drop, heavy materials like gold, black sand and so on. Okay guys, let's go a step further. On the next card you see the distribution of the opinions of our prospectors. At the first look you will see that the first line is the first choice. I can agree. In the next picture you see in the red squares that the most of the prospectors chose the fields A1 and A7. The best chances in the third place are in the fields in the red circles A2, C6, D6 and F7. Sorry, F6. One of the best statements I found was this from the Appalachian prospectors. They found out that the square C6, this is here, is their favorite. And after a while of reading I found that there is built a creek. Look at this. And here you know the line of gold in the creek, and there you have a good chance to find some gold. Congratulations for this statement, Appalachian prospectors. Please read the whole comment, I think it's worth. the opinion of Josep, my friend in USA, from Great Mountain Gold Trap, would take the field A6 or B6. He wrote in German, so I have to translate some words in English. Thank you, Josep. Okay, he mentioned that on A6 or B6 will be a low pressure zone, and that's okay. But if it's deeper than 2 meters, you must come here with your diving equipment. And after that we will drink some beer. And you're allowed to take the gold you found in the pool. The statement of Tingle Tangle, a German prospector, was A5 and A6, and cause of the low pressure zone, and yeah, it's okay. A5 and A6, it's the first line, and so it's the first riffle. Another German prospector is J.R. Bully, and he said he will take the square B4, and he will take the Henderson pump and the shovel. Okay, guy. Another German prospector is CR62 Christian, and he will take the square C5 cause of the big rocks, and he would use the shovel and the Henderson pump. Okay, here I see the big rocks, and Henderson pipe is often my favorite, and the shovel you will see. Thank you, Christian. And Jim Bob's Slim Picking 7-3 that he will take square C7. Okay, let's see. Square C7. Okay, I think here behind the, I guess it's a tree. Okay, let's try if the field wins.